Yes! Woo! I hit water! This is literally the worst idea I think I have ever f***ing had. 'Cause you're dumb! It's 2 degrees. Look at this. This is a lake. And it's frozen. It is my last day in South Dakota, so I thought it would be cool to try ice fishing. I think somebody already made a hole. It's frozen as f***. Oh, I don't know if I can go through that, but we're gonna try to just go through that same hole with the little auger that I bought. Holy shit, it's cold. So it's my last day off in South Dakota, and then I work the next 4 days, and then I go home. And I really wanted to try ice fishing, so here we go. Okay, don't really have a lot of time to explain just yet. I gotta see if I can make this hole first, because I have like 45 minutes of daylight to see if I can do some ice fishing. So I gotta try to make this hole. I will explain what the hell is going on here in a minute, if I can even make the hole. I don't think I'm getting anywhere. We can't water, it doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Oh, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. Holy hell. It's a lot of work. I don't know if I'm strong enough. I don't even see water yet. Are you drying from your place? Miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. Holy doing something. I don't know how far I have to go. Oh, I need to start doing push-ups. Make this shorter. Too tall for my midget ass. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. The most important part is making the hole. I don't even think I can. This might be a bust. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. Look at how deep this shit is, and I still haven't hit water. That's deep. 24 minutes. Holy shit. Dude, I think the whole fucking lake is frozen. I don't think I'm gonna be able to break through. That's almost fucking 2 feet deep. Oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit, I hit water. No fucking way! Water! Oh. Yes! Woo! I hit water! Okay. Oh man. Oh, it's getting dark, but look. I fucking did it. Okay, I gotta grab the shit out of my car really quick before it gets too dark. I'll be right back. The lighting is getting pretty bad out here. Hopefully I can catch something before it gets dark. What a way to end my first contract in South Dakota. I gotta say, definitely going out with a bang. Pretty far down. Further than I thought. And now we wait. Well, I think my lens is wet. I didn't even get a nibble, but I can at least say I tried. I'm gonna go back to the hotel, and then I gotta work the next 4 days, and then probably won't film again until I start heading back to Kansas. So that was kind of a dud of a video. I might try again one more time before I leave. Wrong. But for tonight, it's dark. It's -2 degrees outside. I can't feel my body. And yeah, at least I can say I tried.